The results of the CXC exams are in, and the integrity of the process is being put to the test. The CXC admits it is concerned about the regulations surrounding exam papers, but says steps have been put in place to reduce breaches. Jamaica Maitland reports.
The Caribbean Examination Council CXC is urging registrars in each territory to conduct frequent revisions and audits of the exam regulation. Director of Operations at the CXC, Dr. Nicole Manning, made the recommendation while presenting the results of the CXC exams in St. Kitts and Nevis.
We have made some changes already in terms of our policies for examinations, what happens in an examination. You'd have heard me mention earlier in terms of the penalty that is attributed to the type of infringement that may occur. So we are also doing that. And I must say, last but not least, we are asking that the local registrars do their own review. And even in the territory where we would have had the breach, they would have already done some, and they would have provided to us, because that's important, that you have to have your not only correction, but corrective action for it not to happen again.
Jamaica was identified as being the source of a leak of the Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate CSEC Math Paper 2 exam in May. And a month later, exam papers for 9 subjects were stolen from a fireproof cabinet at a Jamaican high school. Dr. Manning said the CXC is concerned about the integrity of the administration of the papers.
We want to use this opportunity to reach out to our adults, because breaches don't happen with candidates. It starts with an adult. So we are asking our adults to really take a hold of, that word called integrity.
She says the CXC is revising the regulations to improve the exam process, which includes greater use of technology. This, Dr. Manning believes, will reduce delays associated with shipping papers for grading, as well as to be in touch with the digital age. She described the 2 process being undertaken.
We would have already started doing what we call an efficiency audit of all our territories in terms of the examination processes. We started in 2022. And where we are seeing those weaknesses, we are doing deeper reviews and engagements with our local registrars and, ministries of education.
The results of the CXC exams will be available as of 5 p.m. on Thursday, August 24. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.